Alright guys, today we are going to power wash and clean up the new engine. So it is completely nasty, corroded, dirty. I already stripped it all down. Here's the stuff we're going to use. We need some tough stuff, brush, bigger brush, little brush to get into the nooks and crannies, and we want to use the purple power. Alright, one last look.
Healing starts by taking everything apart, removing every hidden lie buried deep inside my heart. Old habits, old chains, old voices in my head. One by one you pull them out.
Definitely want to take care of these blocks because they're aluminum and they corrode. This one had a lot of corrosion inside. So in a way I'm kind of saving this. I'm going to blow it with air when I'm done. Make sure no water got into them valves. Alright. It's clean, but she looks like shit. This previous owner painted it. Looking like a JDM motor now. Look at that. Time to give it a blowjob.
Take this heart of stone and make it beat again. The builder never wastes what others leave behind. Grace is still creating new life from every trial. You don't see the ending as impossible to reach. You see what you'll accomplish when I trust your hands completely.
It's all clean. It just looks like shit because the old paint job came off. So gotta scrape all this off, and then we will repaint it. And yeah, stay tuned. Okay, this is if you're new to the channel, my name is Tony. We do builds for JDM, trucks, Power Strokes, all that good stuff. Right now working on a 2006 Acura Type-S, which is in there, and we're building the motor. So please like, share, subscribe, follow along if you like Acuras or Hondas or K-swaps and stuff like that. And all right, to the next video, guys. Stay tuned, man. We got the custom paint job coming.